COVID-19 is spreading like wildfire across the country. India records over 141,986 new cases in the last 24 hours. Sudden surge sees India crossing the 10,000 mark as the virus spreads at an alarming pace. The country had last witnessed such a major spike in cases on June 7 last year. The active cases are 13.4% of the total infections, which is over 3.5 crores. The national recovery rate is at 97.30, while the positivity rate is at 9.28%. India now has 3,071 Omicron cases across the country, with Maharashtra spearheading the Omicron surge at 876. The national capital's Omicron tally stands at 513. Around 1,203 people have recovered from the Omicron variant. Several states have ramped up efforts to curb the spread of the virus. Night curfew and weekend curfew are some of the stringent restrictions in place. Delhi's daily COVID tally has increased by 15%, 17,335 cases in the last 24 hours, while Mumbai has crossed 20,000 fresh COVID infections. A decision on a lockdown is still on the cards for imposition. Major poll rallies across Uttar Pradesh ahead of assembly polls stand cancelled by Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi in view of the surge in COVID cases in the country. The campaigning is set to kickstart virtually today. The Uttarakhand government has even prohibited political rallies till January 16 to be on the safer side. Meanwhile, down south, Karnataka witnesses a massive jump. A 68% increase in fresh cases as the state logs 8,449 cases in a span of 24 hours. The Silicon Valley of the country, Bengaluru alone accounts for 6,812, taking the positivity rate to 4.15%. The most number of cases are being driven by Maharashtra, Delhi, West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. With the World Health Organization saying the Omicron variant is mild as it is killing people as well as hospitalizing them, the new variant appears to be overpowering the dominant Delta strain in many countries. Hospitals are currently overwhelmed. The threat looms large and is very much real. And once again, the world is grappling with another wave of the virus.